I'm Josh Sheppard. I'm a fourth generation rice farmer in Butte County. My family's been operating in this part of the world since the 1940s. You know, harvest is always an exciting time for me. This is the check off. This is where we get to see the fruits of our labor. Mother Nature always just deals us a hand that we have to deal with, and that certainly is a challenge. Also, we have a lot of regulatory issues that we deal with for a lot of good reasons, but again, they are challenging and at times puts us at a competitive disadvantage to other rice producing regions that do not have the same restrictions. It's amazing to think that my product that I produce here year in and year out could very well end up in a high-end sushi product in a very distant part of the world.